Mastering transitions for a stellar TOEFL Independent Writing Task. Hello, wonderful learners. In today's video, we will dive deep into using appropriate transitions and coherence for the TOEFL Independent Writing Task. Using transitions effectively can significantly boost your score, so let's get started. Transitions act like bridges between your ideas, ensuring that your writing flows smoothly. They help guide the reader through your arguments, making your thoughts clearer and more persuasive. Remember, clarity and coherence are crucial in the TOEFL Independent Writing Task. 1. Additive transitions, used to add information. 2. Examples. Additionally, furthermore, also. 3. Adversative transitions, show conflict or contrast between ideas. 4. Examples. However, on the other hand, nevertheless. 5. Causal transitions, show cause and effect relationships. 6. Examples. Because, therefore, consequently. 7. Sequential transitions, used to list information or provide a sequence. 8. Examples. First, secondly, finally. 1. Variety is the spice. Don't overuse one transition. Mix and match them to keep your writing fresh. 2. Stay relevant. Ensure the transition you use matches the relationship between the ideas. Using, however, when you're adding information can confuse the reader. 3. Avoid overloading. Too many transitions can make your writing sound forced. Use them when they naturally fit. 4. Practice. The more you write and revise, the better you'll become at using transitions seamlessly. 1. Stay on topic. Every sentence should relate back to your main idea or topic sentence. 2. Use consistent terminology. If you introduce a concept with a specific term, stick to that term throughout your essay. 3. Reinforce ideas. It's okay to reiterate important points, but don't be overly repetitive. 4. Paragraph structure. Remember to use the pie structure: point, illustration, and explanation for optimal coherence. And there we have it. Mastering the art of using transitions and ensuring coherence can make a world of difference in your TOEFL Independent Writing score. Keep practicing, and remember that every bridge or transition you build makes your writing stronger. We hope this video has been insightful. Best of luck on your TOEFL journey, and see you in the next video.